Tired of wrestling with messy spreadsheets to understand your SEO performance? Let's transform that data chaos into clear, actionable insights by connecting Semrush to Looker Studio. First, make sure you have an active Semrush account and a Google account to access Looker Studio. Log into both platforms now. In Looker Studio, start by creating a new report. Click the Create button, then select Report. Next, you'll need to connect a data source. In the Add Data to Report panel, search for Semrush. You will see a list of Semrush connectors. Choose the connector that matches the Semrush report you want to visualize, such as Semrush Domain Analytics or Semrush Keyword Analytics. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio to access your Semrush data. Click Authorize and follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Semrush account. Once authorized, configure the data source. Select the specific Semrush database, domain, or project, and any other relevant parameters based on the chosen connector. For example, with the Domain Analytics connector, you'll enter the domain you want to analyze. Finally, click Add to Report. Now you can start building your dashboard. Drag and drop charts, tables, and scorecards onto the canvas. Use the data fields from Semrush to populate your visualizations and customize them to your liking, and that's it. You're now visualizing your Semrush data with Looker Studio. Happy analyzing!